Home sweet home isn't quite so sweet when there are repairs to make and big bills to pay. If you're on a fixed income and living alone, you know it can all be pretty overwhelming. That's where Charlotte's Habitat for Humanity can help. They've got a program that can turn your old house back into something that you can be proud of and that you can afford. Carolina Impact's Jeff Saunier has the story.
Yeah, Habitat's known for building new houses, but not everybody wants a new house. In fact, there's a lot of neighbors who are just looking for a way to stay in the house that they already have. There's debris on the floor, ladders blocking the door, but for Beulah Harris, you know, it's still home.
I've been staying here 50-some years. That's why I raised my children at here. I raised all my children in a two-bedroom home. I love it dearly. It's too much I done put in here.
Too much history here.
Yeah. My girls will tell you, Mama, you ain't going anywhere. You ain't have to worry about me. They're working on the bathroom, my kitchen, and replacing my lights. And this is most of what I want.
You don't want to move.
I'm not going to move. No, I'm not going nowhere. I'm home.
This is a place where I feel at home.
But homes can mean hard choices if you're like Beulah, living alone on a fixed income with repairs you can't afford to make, on a house you can't afford to leave.
Or you may see a tarp on a roof from driving down a street, but you absolutely have no idea what's you're going to uncover once you get into some of these houses, and it's...
Charles Monroe oversees Habitat's critical repair program, not building new homes, but instead fixing up these old homes, where needed repairs often come in bunches.
Exactly. A lot of people are making do with what they have. You know, ones without heat and air conditioning, that they're, you know, down to living in one room in the winter.
So we're going to tear it out and put a new beam in under it and restructure it on the sides.
The fix-up is mostly free, and so is the satisfaction for these Habitat workers. No handouts here, they're just providing a little help.
Oh, it's a huge thing. This is, it was a big choice to come here, and I love what I do.
Usually our clients are people that are, you know, a lot of them are elderly and sick, and you've got the home is kind of in the same shape.
This is a place where I don't feel alone.
You're pretty proud of your home now.
I love this house. I loved it before, and I love it even more now. I do.
Shirley Harrington Wright says the Habitat cruise took about 2 months to transform her home sweet home, the house that she's loved on and lived in for 21 years. Shirley takes us on a wheelchair tour of all the improvements.
This is the new water heater, and this is the new furnace.
Nice.
Yep, and the air conditioning unit is out on the side.
All the things she used to worry about.
You know, the fence is wobbly, and the garage door didn't work. I had to lift it up and down, you know, and things like that.
When the list gets long, it gets kind of overwhelming.
Yes. And see, you always think about the big stuff. Water heater, furnace, all of that. So every day or every month or every winter or whatever, you just hoping and praying. And that's sure, and a lot of people are still in their homes, but they're living in deplorable conditions, you know, and don't know what to do.
This is a place where I feel at home.
Yeah. Houses, they get old just like we do, don't they?
They do.
At Beverly Clark's house, the biggest Habitat improvement was replacing her original old bathtub.
So he came back in, looked, and he said, "How hard is it for you to get in and out of your tub?" I said, "You know exactly how hard it is."
With this new walk-in shower instead. That's kind of nice.
That's real nice.
There you go.
Like this. Isn't that easy?
Habitat making Beverly's house more livable. So at age 72, Beverly doesn't have to live anywhere else.
And that's what they did. This made it safer. And then, then the repairs made it affordable. I just went through the house and saw things that needed to be done. They came and made those major repairs and stuff. So I knew, they didn't just talk, they did the walk too.
This is a place where I don't feel alone.
Impatient. I still go outside in the back sometime and just look at it. It's quite humbling. It was overwhelming. And like I said, I felt like I hit the lottery. They're trying to help people stay in their homes. And they're helping people who have helped themselves. That's what I see. They're helping people who have helped themselves.
Now, Habitat says that most of the neighbors who take advantage of the Critical Home Repair Program are senior citizens living alone, and most of the major repair projects are in excess of $30,000. Now, depending on your income, some neighbors pay nothing. Others pay a small percentage, usually around 5%. The average is between $1,500 and $1,600, and everybody puts in 75 volunteer hours, either working on their own house or volunteering out in the community. Habitat says they do about 100 houses a year, and that the cost of fixing up 5 existing homes, that's about the same as building 1 new house. Amy?
Thanks so much, Jeff. Check out our website for more information on Habitat's Critical Home Repair Program, pbscharlotte.org, then click on Carolina Impact, and you can find the hotline number there. Well, helping our seniors stay in their homes is a powerful way to help in the affordable housing crisis. That's part of our region's push to improve economic mobility.